The belief in the last day, the day of judgment, and before this day occurs, there are many signs in which the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, informed us about. One of these signs is the Imam Mahdi, and the Imam Mahdi is one of the signs that will occur towards the end. Who is he? What is he going to do? The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, informed us that the final hour will not occur until the Imam Mahdi comes forward, and he will fill up the earth with justice, just like it was filled up with oppression and tyranny. So, he's going to fix up the corruption that we already see around us today. So much corruption, so much evil, so much tyranny. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, also informed us, saying that if there was only one day left for this dunya, Allah would extend this day to allow the Imam Mahdi to come forth. So, who is the Imam Mahdi, and what is he going to do? First of all, his name. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said his name will be like my name, and his father's name will be like my father's name. So, he will be Muhammad ibn Abdullah, Muhammad the son of Abdullah. And not only that, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, informed that he is from Al-Bayt. He is from the offspring of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, through his daughter Hazrat Fatima and her husband Hazrat Ali. He will be from the offspring of Al-Hassan. And with this information that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, gave us, the Imam Mahdi himself will not claim to be the Mahdi. He is not chasing leadership or power. It is when the people pledge their allegiance to him. This is when he becomes known as the Imam Mahdi, not before. Before, he's a righteous man, a knowledgeable man. He has the qualities of a leader, but he's not ready yet. And as the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, mentioned, Allah will prepare him in one night, so he will be ready overnight. He already possesses the qualities, but he's not ready to come forward. He will be a leader. He will rule the Muslims. He will bring justice back to earth, and justice will only come through implementing the Sharia. And there will be many battles fought, and he will come from the east, as the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, mentioned. And he will have those supporting him initially from the east. And this also refutes the belief of the Rafida, who believe the Imam Mahdi is in a cave in Iraq, and he's been there for over 1,000 years. What's he doing? This goes against the Quran, the Sunnah. It goes against logic, yet they fool the Mees in a cave for 1,000 years. He's not. His name is not Muhammad ibn Abdullah. He's not. They don't even claim he's from the offspring of Al-Hassan. They say he's from Al-Hussein. If he's there, why doesn't he come out? And isn't there corruption everywhere now? Come out, speak, do something. No, he's waiting for what? Who knows? So, this is all fairy tales and nonsense. He will come at a time when there will be many earthquakes, and this is one of the signs of the final hour, that earthquakes will spread and the ad-dajjal will be out. How do we know this? Because when the Muslims are under his leadership, he will come to Al-Shan, and then Hazrat Isa will come down. When the Muslims, Isa come down, the Imam Mahdi and the Muslims are getting ready to pray. So they tell Isa to lead them in prayer, and Isa says no. Now imagine Hazrat Isa. Yet he refuses to lead the Muslims in prayer, and he lets the Imam Mahdi lead them. And this is also a sign that when Hazrat Isa returns, he's not coming to implement the Injil, he's coming to implement the Quran. He is going to be a follower of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The Imam Mahdi in his time, the state of the Muslims will change, and then Allah will bring out blessings to the Muslims like they have never seen before. Allah will command the skies to bring down the rain and command the earth to bring out its fruit and vegetation. And it will come out that there would be no one in need of anything. He would divide wealth equally amongst the people, and he will remain leading for 7 or 8 years, as the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, mentioned. He said he will come from the east, and he will continue and make his way to Mecca. He will already have his followers with him. But when he gets to Mecca, this is when he becomes known to all the Muslims, and they will all go to pledge their allegiance to him. He is a sign of the final hour. If you like today's video, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.